Comparing numbers rounding off nearest 10, 100, 1000 from class 6. Comparing numbers. Any two numbers can be related to each other by any of the three relations. That is greater than, lesser than, equal to. These are the three relations. To compare two large numbers, we follow the three rules given here. The first rule, the number which has more number of digits is greater. If we want to compare the two numbers, that is two large numbers, what we have to check? We have to check the digit of the number. Which number has more digits? That is a greater number. Here in this number having 6-digit number and here 5-digit number. In this example, this number has 6 digits. Here 5 digits. Which one is a greater number here? We have the rule here, the number which has more number of digits is greater. So 5,67,567 is a greater number here. We'll see the one more example. Here, when we compare to the large numbers, we have to check the digits. Here, this number has 5 digits and here 7 digits. So, which is a greater number here? 78,56,878 is a greater number here. Our second rule is, if the number of digits same, compare the digits in the leftmost place. We'll see the example here. See the example, if the digits are same. See here in the both number are same. When we compare the large numbers, the digits are same. See here also 5 digits are there and here also 5 digits are there. So how we will compare the numbers? We will compare the numbers, the digits in the leftmost place. That is leftmost place means we have to compare 8 and 1. You have to compare these two numbers. Which one is a greater? That is the number having the greatest digit in the leftmost column is greater of 2. So 84,567 is a greater number here. We'll see one more example here. See this number. Here also 5-digit number is there. And here 5-digit number is there. Then how we will compare? We will compare the number. Compare the digits in the leftmost place. That is 4 and 5. The number having greatest digit in the leftmost place is greater of 2. So 56,878 is the largest number here. The third rule is, the number of digits in the two given is same. Leftmost place also same. Compare the digits at the lower place. We'll see the example here. See this two number. We have the number with the same digits. Here also 5 digits are there and here also 5 digits are there. Then how we will compare? We will compare the leftmost place. Leftmost place means here also 8 and here also 8. So the number leftmost place also same. Then what we will do? The third rule says compare the digits at the lower place. That means you have to check the next place. Next place also same. Right? 4, here also 4 and here also 4. Then next place we have to check here 5 and here 5. Now we will check the next place, that is here 67 and here 32. And leftmost place also same. Then compare that the lower place. That means we have to check the next place. Here 67 and 32. Compare the two number. Here 67 is a greater number. So this number is a greater number here. So 84,567 is a greater number here. When we comparing the larger numbers, we have the three basic rules. We discussed about the three basic rules. We'll move on the next place. Discuss about rounding off to the nearest 10. We have the number scale here. Look at the digits 0 to 10 on the scale here. Rounding off are used in the estimation. While estimating, the numbers used for estimation is round off to the nearest place of tens, hundreds or thousands. It starts from 0 and ends 10. 5 is the middle number here. So the digits 4, 3, 2, 1 are placed nearer to 0 as compared to the digits 6, 7, 8, 9 which are nearer to 10. 5 is the middle number here. If the number is less than 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, so we will place nearer to 0. How we will round off? We will round off nearer 0. If the number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then we will round off nearer to 10. Now we will see the one example here. We have the number scale start from 0 ends 10. 5 is the middle number. 234 we have to round off nearest to 10. We have to check the ones digit, that is if the digit at ones place 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to 0. So see the number here. If the number is less than 5 or greater than 5, that you need to check here. So 4 is less than 5. So the number is nearer to 0. So what we have to do? We have to put 0 in the ones place. So the answer is 230. We'll see the one more example, 237. So check the ones digit here. In this ones digit, the number is 7 written here. So where is the 7 in this number scale? 7 is in the number scale after the 5. So it is a greater than. 7 is greater than 5. So it's nearer to 10. Keep in your mind, in this number scale 5 is the middle number. If the number is less than 5, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, then we will round off nearer to 0. See the number here. If you want to check the number, you have to check the ones place here. If the number is written less than 5, need to nearer to 0. If the number is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then we need to round off nearer 10. So here 237 is round off. So 7 is round off 10, right? So in this place you need to, in this number 237, 7 is greater than 5 here. If the digit at ones place, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then we will make it nearer to 10 by replacing it by the digit 0 in the ones place. You have to put 0 in the ones place and increasing the tens digit by 1. So 237 means you have to put 0 in the ones place and increased 1 in the tens place. I hope everybody understood the round off nearest 10. Now we will move to the rounding off to the nearest 100. We have the number scale here. Here the number 0 to 100 mentioned here. Here also the number 50 is the middle number. In this scale 0 to 49. See here 49 means it is before 50. 0 to 49. So we need to nearer 0. 9 is there in middle of 40 between 50. So the number 0 to 49, nearer to 0. Then the number 51, 51 to 100, nearer to 100. So 50 is a middle number. Less than 50 means we have to put round off 0. Greater than 50 or equal to 50 means we have to nearer to 100. We'll see the example here. Rounding off to the nearest 100. We have the scale here. 534 is round off 100. So 34, you have to check the tens column. You have to check the tens column, that is 3 is written here, then ones column 4 is written here. So the number is 34. Where is in the 34? 34 is in between 30 to 40. In between is there 34. So check whether it is less than 50 or greater than 50. Think and tell me. 34 is less than 50. So we have to put 0 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. Remaining number is same. We have to put 0 in tens place, ones place, and the number is remain. 100 place number is remain. We'll see the one more example. 687. See here, 87 is between 80 and 90. Where is the number? In somewhere here only there. 80 and 90. Between the numbers 80 and 90. So 87 is round off nearest to 100. 87 is round off nearest to 100. So we need to put 0 in the tens place and 0 in the ones place. We have to increase 1 in the hundreds place. So see here, put the 0 in the tens place and ones place. Increase the number by 1 here. So the answer 700. Now we will learn about rounding off to the nearest 1000. We have the number scales start from 0 up to 1000. Here also 500 is the middle number. If the number less than 500, that is nearest to 0. If the number greater than or equal to 500, so we have to nearer 1000. So we'll see the example here. 3456. We have to check the hundreds place here. 4, then tens place 5 and 6. 456. 456 lies between 400 and 500. Correct? So it is less than 500. So we need to round off nearer 0. So what we have to do? We have to put 0 in hundreds column. Then we have to put 0 in tens column. Then we have to put ones column also 0. Then the remaining number thousands digit is same. No need to change in this number because it is less than 500. The next number 4563. You have to check the hundreds place. 563. 563 lies between 500 to 600. Somewhere number is there. Okay. So 563 is greater than 500. So we have to round off nearer to 1000. So for that we have to put zeros in the 3 columns, increased 1 in the thousands column. So 5000 is the answer. I hope everybody understood the rounding off concept.